Next, step number 3 then is prepare your cash in your bank account. So that's where we're going to look over here at our cash and our bank payments and our bank lodgements. So have a look to see if we've got any opening cash to start a question, which we don't. So now the lodgements have lodgements, general expenses and purchases. So those 4 are going to go in as they are. So lodgements 94,000, general expenses 22,500, purchases 51,000. Always have a look to see if the proprietor has taken any stock or any cash for their own purposes for drawings. Here we've got stock of €80 per week and €60 per week of household expenses during the year for cash. So you can take 60 multiplied by 52 gives you 3,120. So your drawings will be 3,120. And then have a look at the end of the question to see if you have any cash left over. Only 550. So 550 just goes straight in. So you're going to add all these up. And we add them up, we get 171,170. We don't have anything on the cash side, so our cash sales is going to be 171,170. And your balance figure is going to be brought forward. It's going to be your cash for your balance sheet. Your bank then, you're going to look at your bank. So you've got bank payments and bank lodgements. So bank lodgements, debtors, cash and dividends. So you've got debtors, cash and dividends. In this question, we'll just have a look at the loan down here. It says Kelly borrowed 72,000 on the 1st of the 7th, 2012, part of which he used to purchase an adjoining warehouse costing 60,000. That's all it says. So we have 12,000 left over. So that's 12,000 just goes straight into our bank as a loan. We just leave it there until we spend it. For our payments then we got equipment, 30,000, creditors, 34,200, light and heat, 4,600, interest, 2,400, insurance, 3,000, standing order, 2,500, van, 32,000, rent, 22,800. So you're going to add all the credit side up, add all the debit side up, find out what the difference is. So the difference here we have is 10,100. And that's going to be your balance, which we put into the balance sheet as your current assets.